Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures accelerated higher as expected this week. There is a little gap left behind here. This is an outside gap. There's a lower chance it will be filled in the near term, less than 50%. An inside gap would have a 90 to 95% chance of fill rate. But this is an outside gap and much less likely to be filled, at least in the near term. Just to map this out a little bit, here was the lows of the range. Here was where the market consolidated, made a little minor attempt to break out. Price pushed up to the highs of the range through here. There was an absorption bar in response to test the water at the previous all-time highs. The market accelerated higher last week, and we suggested it probably wouldn't consolidate at this level. It would likely attempt to accelerate further and probably attempt to consolidate in response to it. Now, there was some supply drawn out during the week, and the market did make a pretty good attempt to absorb that supply. You can see that the close is up near the highs of this week's traded range. Volume was pretty high, but not overly considering the increased spread as price accelerated higher. So I would expect there'll be some attempt to consolidate sort of up here, at least in the near term. If supply is found to be low, I expect a secondary attempt to push higher, either later this week or early next week. If ongoing supply is drawn out and it's persistent, you may find price pushed down a little deeper within this range to attempt to consolidate and absorb the supply. So I would expect the market's going to trade around the 90,000 level and attempt to consolidate. If selling pressure is found to be low, I expect another thrust higher. If selling pressure is ongoing and persistent, I would expect a deeper pullback closer to the 80 level, perhaps in the 82, 83 sort of level, and attempt to consolidate in there. Anything within the range of this week's up bar would be a positive, and I don't expect this gap will be filled in the near term. If it is, the market will be threatening to break down and retest this breakout line here or here. So you can watch the lows of this bar, which is just a fraction above 80. Any break below that level would likely see the market test to break out for strength. But I expect, at least in the near term, the market will attempt to consolidate just above or below the 90,000 level.